I'm sure you're looking up. Oh, look at me, I'm a manager doing manager things, working away real hard. Go on the lot, everyone, and do some work.
Oh, I'm gonna sit on Facebook, go fucking day.
I might watch some porn over here.
Oh, look at us.
Oh,
As long as we look at our computer screens and the sales guys come up here, they'll think we're working. Oh, here they come. Let's look at our screens. Oh, do you have a deal? Come on over, I'll manage it. Motherfucker. Oh, look at me. I have Blue Book and I look in here and I write things. Ooh, make twice as much as everyone. Oh, look at this. It looks real important. I hold my pen and I play with it. Okay, look at me. I have a black book. Oh, it's got lots of values in here. I decide what the trades come in at. Bring me an offer and a deposit. Go! Come on, be a fucking sales guy. Not fucking sit here. I'm the fucking man. Oh, throw my pen around like I own it.